Let's start with the control dashboard. This is your home page in Radiolize Studio. You can check your listener summary, storage usage, now playing track, upcoming tracks, or recently played tracks. Also, you can check your scheduled playlists, access your stream, and stop or restart your broadcasting and auto DJ. Here is embed widgets. You can easily customize your radio player, your history, your schedule, or song requests widgets and put this code into your website and it will appear and your listeners will access your radio station easily. Media files. This is the place where you organize your tracks, your shows, your podcasts. You can create different folders or you can directly upload them here. And also, let me go back. You can put tracks into playlists here. And this is the simply place where you organize everything about your tracks. It's like an archive, it's a media files directory. Let's check the playlists. Okay, when it comes to playlists, that's the part where most of the automation happens. So you should be automating every playlist, or you should be just creating a default playlist. Like when there's nothing to play, this default track would come in. When it comes to automation, I can clearly say that Radiolize is the best radio manager ever. Because you can create automated playlists such as play exactly once every X tracks, play exactly once per every X minutes, or play once per hour at the specified minute. Like this feature is not available in other softwares. Also, you can schedule your playlists from days of the week and the hour. Also, there are advanced settings. And here is the schedule view of the playlists. When you click on them, you can easily edit them here. Okay, Web DJ. You can use third-party software such as Audio Hijack, Virtual DJ, or Serato with Radiolize. And when you go to live, the auto DJ stops and you will be directly making a live show and there will be a smooth transition. You can also make live shows over your browser without downloading any third-party software. All you should do is just creating a DJ account at here and connecting with your credentials here, and you can directly make a live show without downloading anything. You can even use your microphone, select your microphone here, and import your media files to here, then just start streaming. Public pages. Radiolize Studio provides free and built-in web pages. They are minimal but very good for your listeners. If you don't have a website or mobile application or a place to play your radio station, you can simply share this URL with your listeners and they will have this cool website. They can directly play your station over here and check your song history, or they can even request a song over here. Calendar. You can share your calendar with your listeners here as well. And let's check the main settings. You can change your radio station name, your radio logo, description, genre, website, time zone, and also you can make some enable disable settings over here and much more advanced settings over here, including compression and normalization. You can create some webhooks or bots, such as Discord bots, Telegram bots, Twitter posts, Google Analytics, Matomo, TuneIn, or generic webhook. Like you can create some fancy stuff over here if you are a developer or you have a developer friend or a professional developer. Reports. When it comes to reports, Radiolize is very detailed. You can check your listeners by day of the week, listeners by hour, by day, and the best part is you can actually see where people listen at your station and when and for how many time. Also, you can see their IP, their location, and you can count your listener hours, unique listeners. You can download CSV and report them to your manager. It's very handy place to get your listener analytics. And here, song requests. When your listeners requesting song, they will be listing here, and you can just delete them or check which track is requested when and when it played. There are also other reporting pages such as playback timeline, or if you are working with a PRO, music publishing companies, you can report your playback to them. And yes, also the best feature for me is like one of the best features is dark mode. I love this as a part developer and part businessman. I love this dark mode like most of the people, and generally I'm using Radiolize with dark mode. Also, you can customize your account, like select your language. We support all of these languages, and you can change your preferred theme. And that's it.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to check product link in the video description below.